the food so I couldn't go home without having cherries. Never. They won't come out.
It's hard to get out. There you are.
Give Michael some.
Hi, Michael. Say hi to
Your
Michael.
favorites.
How does it taste?
Delicious.
Good. Yeah, so there are 4 little packages of them, so you can eat some every day.
Every day, yum.
Yeah, a couple every day. You have 1 every morning and 1 every night, and don't sneak 1 in between.
There now?
Mom's skin looks wonderful.
I know, it does.
Hey, she
looks beautiful.
94. Your skin looks beautiful. Look at her forehead.
She's so beautiful.
You want another one?
No.
No, it's having lunch soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.